Naputol pala siya guys. Okay, so balikan natin yung question. Suppose a business owner has a choice of 5 locations in which to establish her business. So, nirank niya daw ito according to some criteria such as price of the store and parking facilities. So, ang question is, how many different ways can she rank the 5 locations? So, halimbawa, irarank niya yung 5 locations na yon, ilang ways ng ranking yung magagawa niya. So, that will be 5 factorial. Okay? And then, the question is, 120 pala yung sagot. Okay? Masyadong excited para sa next question. So, there will be 100 questions kapag nirank niya silang 5. Okay? Next, the question is, suppose the business owner wishes to rank only the top 3. Yung top 3 lang daw. So, yung top 3 lang ang kanyang i-consider. So, how many different ways can she rank them? So, ngayon, gagamitin na natin yung formula for permutation. So, permutation of N, taken R. So, yung N natin dito will be 5 kasi 5 yung pagpipilian, 5 yung objects na pagpipilian, at ilan yung R natin? Yung R naman, kung ilan yung object na kukunin mula doon sa 5. So, ang R natin ay 3. Kasi sabi niya, she will rank only the top 3. Ayan. So, tatlo lang kukunin niya mula sa 5. So, our permutation formula is n factorial over n minus r factorial. Ayan. Okay, so that will be 5 factorial over n minus or 5 minus 3 factorial, that is equal to 5 factorial over 2 factorial. Okay, or that is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 1. So, cancel mo yun. So, 5 times 4 is 20 times 3 is 60. So, there are only 60 combinations or 60 ways that she can rank this top 3 locations for his business. Okay? Okay, let us have another example here from your book. Okay, explain ko lang ito. So, eto siya. Oops, malabo siya. Kasing labo ninyong dalawa. Bakit siya naglalabo? O yung mata ko na ang malabo? Hindi. Malabo talaga siya. So, how can I do this? Ayan. Okay? So, a television news director wishes to use 3 news stories on an evening show. One story will be the lead story. One will be the second story, and the last will be a closing story. If the director has a total of 8 stories to choose from, how many possible ways can the program be set up? Ayan. So, meron tayong order dito, di ba? Lead story, second story, and the closing story. Okay, so ilan daw yung pagpipilian natin? That will be our N, that is equal to 8. Okay, and then ilan yung kukunin natin na story? That will be our R, which is 3. Therefore, we have here the permutation of 8 taken 3. So, we have 8 factorial, our N, over 8 minus 5, our 8 minus 3, our R, that is equal to 8 factorial over 5 factorial. Okay? So, that will be equal to 336. Hence, there would be 336 ways to set up the program. Okay? Next. A school musical director can select 3 musical plays to present next year. One will be presented in the fall. So, may order ulit siya. And one will be presented in the spring. If she has 9 to pick up from, how many different possibilities are there? Okay, so ang N natin this time is equal to 9. Our R is equal to 2. So, we have, pwede rin natin daw isulat ng ganito. So, N factorial over n minus 2, that is 7 factorial. So, i-cancel mo na yung 7 factorial dun at saka 7 factorial dyan. That will be equal to 72. So, there will be 72 different possibilities for selecting 2 musical plays for next year. Dito naman, kung gagawin natin yon, magiging 8 factorial or 8. Diba 5 ang matitira sa kabila? 5 factorial. So, 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. Ayan. So, kakancel mo siya. So, 8 times 7 is 56 times 6 is 326. Ganun lang kadali, guys. Okay? So, that is about combination. So, meron siyang order. Okay? May order siya. Ay, permutation rather. Okay? So, let us proceed to combination. Malapit na tayo matapos. Yay! Kaya lang isusunod ko na naman yung lesson ninyo for this week. Hindi na ako natapos sa pag-video. Okay? 2:00 na akong kumain kanina. But it's okay. Now, the combination rule is a selection of distinct objects without regard to order. So, wala siyang order. Okay? Hindi katulad kanina na merong first, second, third, merong fall and spring. Okay? Ano pa yung kanina? Merong rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. So, with the combination rule, wala siyang sinusunod na order. So, the number of combinations of R objects selected from N objects is denoted by combination of N taken R. N is given by the formula. The combination of N taken R is equal to N factorial over N minus R factorial times R factorial. Okay, let us have our first example. In a club, there are 7 women and 5 men. A committee of 3 women and 2 men is to be chosen. How many different possibilities are there? Okay, so let us look at this using our paper and ball pen. Okay, so let us write our given. So our given is there are 7 women and then we have 5 men. Ang kukunin daw natin ay mula sa women ay 3 at mula sa man ay 2. Ayan. Kung mapapansin ninyo, ang sabi dito, a committee of 3 women and 2 men. Anong ibig sabihin ng and? We are going to multiply. Okay, so first, itong gagawin natin. The combination of N taken R. Okay, ito yung N natin, ito yung R natin. So, this is for women. Women, okay. Then, we have combination of 7 taken 3. So, we have 7 factorial over, ano yung formula natin kanina? Natatandaan niya? Hindi. Okay, combination of N taken R is equal to N factorial over, you must familiarize yourself with this, N minus R factorial times R factorial. Ayan. Okay, so 7 factorial over, okay, 7 minus 3 factorial and then 3 factorial. That is equal to 7 factorial over 4 factorial, 3 factorial. So, this is 7 times 6 times 5 times 3 factorial over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 3 factorial. Ayan. So, cancel na natin yung 3 factorial na yan. Cancel na din natin yung 6 at saka 2 at saka 6 doon. So, we have 35 over 4. Bakit parang mali ako? Nakita ko na yung mali ko. Wala akong times 4. Haha. Okay, so cancel natin yan. So, that is 35. Okay, 35. And then, yung sa men naman tayo, sa man. Okay. So, we have, ilan yung men natin? 5. And ilan yung kukunin natin? 2. Okay, that will be equal to 5 factorial over 5 minus 2 factorial and then 2 factorial, which is also equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over So that will be 3 factorial. So 3 times 2 times 1 times 2 factorial. Ayan. So cancel na natin yan. And then cancel din natin yan. Cancel din natin ito yung magiging 2. So that will be equal to 10. Okay, and then dahil n tayo, ibig sabihin we are going to multiply. So that will be 35 times 10. Therefore, we have 350. Okay? I hope that is clear. Let us have some more examples on the combination. Meron pa ba ako dito? Wala na. That is the last. Ay, last na pala yan. Okay, so tignan natin. Malabo na naman siya. Eto. A newspaper editor has received 8 books to review. He decides that he can use 3 reviews in his newspaper. How many different ways can these 3 reviews selected? So again, wala siyang order na sinabi. So we are going to use the combination. Ibig sabihin, kapag wala siyang order na sinabi, combination ang gagamitin. Pero kapag may order, permutation ang gagamitin. I hope that is clear. At kapag repetition is allowed, fundamental counting is the most convenient thing to use. Okay? And so we have here 8 taken 3. Okay? 8 book reviews and he will take 3 reviews. So the combination of 8 taken 3 is equal to 8 factorial over 8 minus 3 factorial and then 3 factorial. So we have there, ayan na siya. So the answer is 56. So there are 56 possibilities. Okay? So I hope that is already clear. Ano pa ba ang kulang natin? I think wala na. So I hope you will be ready for the quiz on Friday. Happy watching and happy computing and happy solving next Friday. Thank you for watching.